So now we know that the Omicron variant is right at Arizona's doorstep, just a state away. How are we preparing here? Short answer, by doing more of the same, urging people to wear a mask, roll up their sleeves, and get a vaccination. Brian Webb joins us now with more. There's not much else you can really do. We've been living with this now for 2 years.
Absolutely right. It's right on our doorstep, like you said. No sign of that variant here in Arizona yet, but health experts say it's really just a matter of time. What the numbers do show is that the Delta variant is still sweeping through unvaccinated Arizonans and that hospital capacity is once again a concern. Head back, nose up, a steady stream of people lining up at a mobile lab in North Phoenix, both concerned about the new variant, but also clinging to hope the worst is behind us.
I think that in general, the pandemic has become too politicized, and we need to focus on what the medical professionals tell us and do what we feel is best based on our advice from medical professionals, not the politicians.
But the new variant is raising eyebrows among medical circles. More than 3,100 new cases and 43 deaths reported today by the state health department, and that's before the Omicron variant has been detected in Arizona.
We have not seen this within the state of Arizona, but we continue to see the impact of the Delta variant.
In our state, the Delta variant is still in the driver's seat. Of the 44 COVID patients at Valleywise Hospital, 42 are unvaccinated, most between the ages of 20 and 40.
We're having younger and younger people again, wind up on our ventilators, wind up in our ICUs, critically ill from COVID-19 disease.
Back at the mobile lab, test results are an added peace of mind for people who've already seen so much, like losing a grandparent.
People are going to use like what were his comorbidities and things, but it still doesn't make it any different than there's one less seat at the dinner table. And I mean, there's millions of families that are feeling the same thing. It's not easy.
So Dr. White and other health experts are urging Arizonans to get vaccinated, also to get the booster shot 6 months after the Pfizer and Moderna vaccine, 2 months after Johnson & Johnson. Live in Phoenix, I'm Brian Webb, Fox 10 News.